Hello and welcome to this week video. This week video will be a short video. I just want to make this video say thank you for subscribing. I hit 100 subscribers this last Saturday. As of this recording, I have 106 subscribers. So I want to say thank you for stopping by, watching my tutorial, liking and subscribing. As a thank you, I'm giving away a free gift. In the last couple of videos, we create a blog website with a nice code, as you can see in the finished project right here. We create this in the last 3 tutorial. In the first of those tutorial, we create a code. In the second video, we lay out the HTML for this blog website. And then the third part 2, we add our CSS. So as a thank you, I'm giving away the design file and the source code for this entire project. So there will be a link in the description where you can download the giveaway. Inside of it, you will find 3 stuff. We find a source code which hold the full source code for the website. And then you find these 2 file. One, it's called advanced blog. So Affinity Designer, that's the design of the blog. And the second one is for Photoshop. I do not have Photoshop, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to edit it in Photoshop, but I have Affinity Designer, which I use to design it. So if you open it up, you find these 2 artboard. These are style guides, show the colors that I use in the project, the typography, this nice design, and the column. And then this is the actual design for the website right here. As you can see, it comes with all the images, nicely designed. So I'm giving all that away. And then you have the actual website right here with the full source code. So again, I want to say thank you again. If you have not already done it, I would appreciate it if you subscribe also and like this video. Thank you, and I had a great one.